How do I print to stderr in Python? There are several ways to write to stderr. What are the differences between these methods? Which method should be preferred?
I found this to be the only one short, flexible, portable and readable. The optional function of print saves some repetition. It can be used in the same way as the standard print function.
Is my choice just more readable and saying exactly what you intend to do and portable across versions? Edit. Being Pythonic is a third thought to me over readability and performance. With these two things in mind, with Python 80% of your code will be Pythonic. List comprehension being the big thing that isn't used as often, readability.
Python 3, Python 2, long answer. Print sys.stderr is gone in Python 3. This URL says old print sys.stderr fatal error new print fatal error file equals sys.stderr. For many of us, it feels somewhat unnatural to relegate the destination to the end of the command. The alternative looks more object-oriented and elegantly goes from the generic to the specific. But note that write is not a one-to-one replacement for print.
Nobody's mentioned logging yet, but logging was created specifically to communicate error messages. Basic configuration will set up a stream handler writing to stderr. This script has the following result when run on the command line. And bar.text will contain the hello world printed on stout.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.